It's sunny here in Kenya, where African bees are busy collecting nectar from all types of flowers. This aggressive killer bees have attacked more people and animals over the years in Africa. African honeybees are much more hostile than European varieties, as their natural environment has far more predators looking to destroy hives for honey. But for us, we have made the African bee feel safe from predators. We have constructed a modern apiary house which can carry 200 hives, that has a trench of water surrounding it to protect the hives from scrolling ants' attack. The water also be use it for their normal day activities. This are the facts about African bee. Hard-working, respond quickly and sting in large numbers. Can sense a threat from people or animals 50 feet or more from nest. Sense vibrations from power or equipment 100 feet or more from nest. Will pursue an enemy 1/4 mile or more. Swarm frequently to establish new nests. Nest in small cavities in sheltered areas, and has scent of smell 50 times of a dog. Today we have an interesting structure that can help starters manage their hives easily. This is the hive stand. We all know that most of people hang their hives on trees, but when it comes to harvesting, it's a challenge to a farmer, and also to bees. The stand you are seeing here has measurements that we are going to share shortly. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider to click the red subscribe button, like and share widely to your friends. The importance of this stand is, our improved stand helps in the following. The height is standard, that no struggle during harvesting. No comps broken or shaken on the brooder chamber during harvest. The 3-hive stand or table is portable. From the ground, the stand is about 2.9 feet. The length of our stand is about 8.1 feet. So when you measure the height of the brood box where the queen stays, starts from 2.9 feet to 3.4 feet. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider to click the red subscribe button, like and share widely to your friends. The super box where honey is starts from 3.4 feet to 4.3 feet and above, depends on the number of supers you have placed for your bees. And the space between the hives is about 1.3 feet. The width of the stand is about 2.8 feet. Remember to nail one nail between the hives where they rest to help you hang your smoker. Now let us see how easy it is when someone is harvesting on the same stand. The stand can also work as a catching site stand for your apiary hives. Thanks for watching. May God bless you.